Governor Wike attacked over comments against IPOB and Amechi. Biafran Nation Youth League (BNYL) has attacked the governor of Rivers State, Nyesom Wike, for attributing the ongoing crisis in Obigbo local government area of the state to the indigenous people of Biafra IPOB and the Minister of Transportation, Chibuike Amechi. The group also condemned the killings of residents in the area by Nigerian soldiers. The national leader of the BNYL, Prince Chimezie Richard, who addressed reporters in Port Harcourt, called on Wike to intervene before the situation got out of hand. The group warned that what is happening in Obigbo could lead to rebellion against the military elsewhere and the country will be thrown into crisis. BNYL dismissed Wike's claim that the hoodlums who attacked the police station and the army were members of IPOB. According to Princewell, the protesters had no Biafran insignia and the name of the groups they belonged to was not written on their foreheads. The group wondered how Wike would be pointing accusing fingers on a particular group of people when similar incidents happened in Edo, Lagos State and Abuja. BNYL also berated Wike for dragging the name of Amechi into the matter, adding that the Biafran movement is not being sponsored by any Nigerian politician, but Biafrans in diaspora. The secessionist group accused the Rivers governor of bringing Amechi into the matter because the former governor declared that he is an Igbo man, which according to BNYL is against the politics of Rivers State. We know the politics of Rivers State. We know why Wike is politicizing his fight against IPOB. If not, why is he involving Amechi? Because the former governor did not publicly deny his Igbo heritage like Wike has done, the group said. The group accused Wike of referring to the Igbos when he called IPOB strange element in Rivers State, adding that the Rivers people are actively involved in the Biafran movement. BNYL dismissed claims that the Biafran struggle is aimed at annexing territories, saying that that is the way Wike understands it. Even though he knows the truth, but for political reasons, he is covering up. Wike, is an Igbo man, but he has to appear against the Igbos to please many in River State. He cannot say that some group of which he is referring to Igbos are renaming his community, who does not know that Obigbo was renamed to Oyibo after it was carved out from old Imo State during boundary adjustment. Who does not know that Egbema was carved into River State from Imo State during same adjustment? And who does know Eche people are Igbos? Who does know that the name Wike is an Igbo name and that Ikwere are Igbo? So, how can we annex our own people? You see, the politics now. We now claim Amechi is behind it all because he thinks Amechi is now fully involved in Igbo affairs. Thank you for listening to this news. Nyesom Wike, you see what I was telling you from the beginning. It has begun to happen. It's now coming to pass. You see that? You see that? I warned you, I told you that look, this step you are taking is a very wrong step. Attacking the IPOB is the greatest mistake that you have ever made in your entire life. I told you that you should let go of the fight between you and the IPOB. I advised you, but yet you refused. You see that now? They are now revealing to you, and it is true. The same thing you are accusing the IPOB of, the same thing happened in Lagos State, Delta State, Anambra, and other states. Why didn't they accuse or put the blame on IPOB? If not that you are having any beef against IPOBs and Amechi, because you are believing that Amechi is now a part of the Igbos, because Amechi gladly recognized and identified himself as an Igbo man. You are also an Igbo man, but you are just exempting yourself ignorantly. If you don't have any beef with Amechi, what will make you to drag Amechi into the issue, saying that Amechi is using the IPOB against you? You see that? So there is something wrong. There is something wrong. You are against Amechi. So I am of the opinion that you better call yourself to order in Nyesom Wike, because I can see that you are the type that doesn't even pay attention to people. You don't want to know, and you don't even care, and it's wrong. Like, seriously wrong. I don't support that fact, and I will never do. So I am of this opinion that you should put things right. I told you before that some persons are instigating you. The earlier you turn your back on those people instigating you, the better. Because these people are advising you wrongly. The advice these people are giving to you is a very wrong one. It will do you no good. Instead, it will cause you more harm. Yes, it will cause you more harm. See what has happened in Obigbo. The killing of the people, of the indigents, wasn't instigated or caused by the IPOB, yet you chose to put it on the head of the IPOBs. So what are you to say about that? So you see that. So you are gradually losing control of the people. You are gradually losing control of the river people. The rivers people are gradually developing hatred for your administration. You of all people, you that the country Nigeria are already throwing more love for. No, believing that you are a product of a presidential aspirant. You see what you have caused, my viewers. I want to let us know that Wike is not the one behind this. Someone has been engineering him and pushing him to do all that he has been doing. So deem it fit to leave your own idea or comment concerning all that I've just said. Okay? Don't hesitate to leave them below the comment box. Click on the subscription button as well as the bell button to get updated whenever we upload any new videos. Thank you.